In line with national news, more progress was made in Lincoln today in regards to the pandemic.
The City Council voted on a measure about the state of emergency, ending some COVID protocols from the past few years. Channel 8's Jessica Blum was at the meeting today. She joins us with the latest and what's next in our top story. Jessica?
Yeah, Lincoln's COVID risk dial has been in the green, or the lowest level, for almost a month now. So the city moved forward with more action to put the emergency state used during the pandemic to rest.
Today marks a change in the COVID-19 emergency, at least from a declared state of emergency for the city of Lincoln.
More and more evidence is showing that the coronavirus pandemic is slowing down, both here in Lincoln and across the nation. For the first week of May, there were 62 cases reported in Lancaster County, 6 of those being from the past weekend. There's also been 1 COVID-related death counted so far in the month of May.
We know that we still have COVID occurring in our community and around the world, but we are at a different place in time. We're going to continue to be able to offer vaccine to residents in the community, testing, and also medication should they need them.
And on Monday, the Lincoln City Council voted 7-0 to end the city's state of emergency for COVID-19.
Yes.
Torres?
Yes.
Washington?
Yes.
Beckius?
Yes.
Bowers?
Yes.
McGinnis?
Yes.
Ward?
Yes. Lincoln's COVID-19 risk dial has been in the green since this time last month. On April 11th, the Lincoln Lancaster County Health Department announced that the COVID-19 risk dial was moving to green for the first time since May of 2022. But the COVID risk dial now has served its purpose.
The risk dial will be removed from the website. If we have a large outbreak or something changes in the community, we can reinstitute that.
Some spoke up to say that even in the dark times of the pandemic, the actions taken were necessary but not needed now. Others were not so quick to agree.
It was a blemish to our city when people were trying to do the right thing. But as was said, I think our community is healthier for the actions that were taken.
The way that the health department handled that in this city was not under the approval of many people in the United States or in Lincoln, Nebraska.
Meanwhile, the World Health Organization says the global emergency is over, but warns that the virus is here to stay. Ending the pandemic emergency would put the city in line with Congress, which recently voted to end the nationwide emergency response. President Joe Biden signed the resolution, which will take effect on Thursday. Health organizations recognize that COVID will be something we continue to live with, but the updates and the dial on the county health department's page are to be no more, at least for now.
All right. Jessica Blum with the latest on our top story tonight. Thank you, Jessica.